Okay, collectible unboxing number one ever. I'm gonna have to figure this out. I forget, are we supposed to be entertaining before, after, or during we are opening a thing when we already know what's in it? Okay, Masco Toys, alien xenomorph thing. I'm guessing it's got some overpack, because it's only supposed to be about 14 centimeters tall. Okay. They created some sort of weird false scarcity by delaying production for over a year and fulfilling orders. I mean, I'm not a complete idiot. I know how these things work for people that buy more than one of them every 10 years. Well, that's interesting. Okay, look, we've got little... And now we have... Dun dun dun! In a box, like a thing. It is an alien xenomorph, something, something, 1 of 12, should be transparent dish. I will furnish pictures. If I actually open it, I really don't know what to do with this anymore. So, bubble wrap, manifest, something I probably shouldn't eat, bubble wrap, and we're done.